Good morning, students. In the last lesson, we studied countables and uncountables, yes, nouns which can be counted and the nouns which cannot be counted. Now, second lesson is the use of a and. It is completely based on the first lesson because a and are used before singular countable nouns. So if you have understood the meaning of countable noun, then only you can understand use of a and. So those, if you haven't seen my first video, you must see the first video, then only you can understand this lesson. See, a and means indefinite articles. Indefinite means not fixed. For example, if I say a pen, when I say a pen, are you sure that I am talking about a particular pen? Do you know that what kind of pen I am talking about? No, you can't say anything. It might be any pen. It might be pen with me, or it might be the pen with you. So therefore, it is called indefinite. Indefinite means unknown or not fixed, and they are used before singular countable noun. See, first a, it is used before a singular countable noun beginning with a consonant sound. See, the words are very important here. To use a, that noun should be singular, countable, and it should begin with a consonant sound. Now suppose water. Water is singular noun but it is not countable. So we can't use a before water. We can't say a water because water is not countable. It should be countable. If it is countable, suppose pens, pens, can I use a before it? No, it should be singular. But pens are, no, pens means plural, so we can't use a pens because a means one. So it should be a singular countable noun beginning with a consonant sound. Now it begins with p, so consonant. See, here it begins with u, but it is not at all a vowel sound. It begins with sound y, uniform. So a uniform, not an uniform, a unit. And an is used before, again it should be a singular countable noun beginning with a vowel sound. See here, egg is a single noun, countable noun. So an egg means one egg. An elephant means one elephant. An ink pot means bottle of ink. Ink you cannot count in number, but you can count ink pot. An ink pot means one ink pot. See here, look at this word hour. It begins with a consonant, but it is not pronounced as consonant. It is the pronunciation begins with a, an r. So an r, because it begins with a vowel sound. Remember that a and means one. So you cannot use them before plural nouns, and you cannot use them before abstract, material and proper nouns. Abstract means names of qualities like bravery, happiness. Can you count happiness in number? No, you cannot count. You can't say one happiness, two happiness, three happiness, because a and are always used before countable noun, singular countable noun. We should be able to count that noun in number. Now wool is taken from goat. You can't count wool in number, so saying a wool is wrong. Like from here, ink pot is countable but not ink. You can't say an ink because ink is never countable. You can't count ink in number. Bravery, bravery of soldiers, we cannot count it in number. So saying a bravery, it is completely wrong. So I repeat once again, you cannot use a and before uncountable nouns and before plural nouns. That noun must be a singular countable noun. Now from the exercise I have solved some examples. In the first question, you have to use a and wherever possible, and where it is not possible you have to mark a cross. First example, iron is dash metal, dash iron is dash metal. Two blanks are given here. So now look at this noun iron. Iron is a name of metal, but can we count iron in number? No, we cannot count because it is a material noun like water. So we cannot count. So there is no article here. Cross, because iron is uncountable, but metal is countable. We can count one metal, two metals, three metals. So iron is a metal. A metal, why a? Because it is singular and begins with consonant. Second example, coffee dash coffee is dash drink. Now coffee, you can count cup of coffee, like cup of tea. Cup is countable, but tea and coffee, how can we count in number? Can we say one tea, two teas? No. So here cross, because article is not possible, and drink is countable. One drink, two drinks, that is possible. In second question, singular sentences are given to sentences with singular nouns are given to you. You have to write the plural forms. Now see, a cat is a singular noun. A cat means one cat. You have to make the plural of singular noun. Cats. Here s will be removed. Cats eat. Now meat. You know the meaning of meat means flesh. But we cannot count it in numbers. We can count it in kilograms. Suppose 1 kilogram, 2 kilograms, but not in number. We can't say one meat, two meat. So we cannot add s here. So only cats eat meat. Second example, a box has a lid. Here both the nouns are countable. We can count both of them. Box, we can say one box, two boxes, three boxes. Lead, even countable. We can say one lead, two leads, three leads. So both are singulars, so both can be converted into plural. So boxes have leads. And in the third example, see here, has is used for singular, so for plural noun it should be have. Cows have tails. Here plurals are given, you have to convert them into singulars. Now see here, cows plural noun, tails plural noun. So from cows, a cow, because it is singular and begins with a consonant. A cow, it is singular. From plural it is made into singular. Now for plural, verb is here have. So for singular, verb should be has. A cow has tails becomes a tail. Cats like milk. Cats is a plural, so a cat singular. S will be added here. Cat, a cat likes. Milk is always singular because we cannot count milk in number. So we cannot add S here. A cat likes milk. Thank you so much. I hope you might have understood. I'll post the homework based on it. Thank you so much.